Hi everybody. What I'm going to do is I have the Gs8000 camera, dash camera. I lost my power cord to it. But that's okay, I wanted to hardwire it anyway. But when you try and run it off of USB, it doesn't power up and record right away. It comes into that menu. Well, there's a different power setting for these cables, and what happens is inside here on this USB cable, I'm closest to pin 5 right now, but the far side is pin 1. And what happens is normally you get pin 1 that provides your 5-volt positive, and pin 5 provides your 5-volt for your ground. Well, when you want to do it for the camera, when you want it to just power on and just start recording, you want pin 4 and 5. So 4 is your positive 5-volt, and 5 is still your ground. So you have to actually make it that way. Well, pin 4 inside of these is always blank. It doesn't come connected. Not always, but it's hard to find a cable that is hooked up to that. So I'm going to take and I'm going to cut the end off of that guy, and then we're going to use the green wire as the positive and the black wire as ground. So, and that's because the way they hook up it goes like this. I'll have to run these together, but I'm getting them organized here so that they're straight. There we go. Okay, so it goes like this. It goes red is pin 1, white is pin 2, green is pin 3, nothing is pin 4, and pin 5 is black. Well, I'm going to just cheat and just use a band of solder and move pin 3 to pin 4, and then I'll use that one as my positive 5-volt. So inside here you got the wide side, which I'll be calling the top, and the narrower side, which is the bottom. I'm going to cut the top out of here for a second because there's a little clip on there that lets you pull that out. Alright. You just got to try and get this out of there. You might have to experiment around a little bit, see what works best for you. You might get it better than I can. I'm just trying with tools that I've got. I don't do this on a regular day basis. Okay, so here's what I've got. I just took that piece of it out of there, and that'll allow me to fill it back in with a lot of glue later on. Now I'm going to take the pliers here and just pull that out real carefully. Okay, that's separated. And what I ended up getting is there's this little tiny piece here It has a little clip on it, and I'm just going to save that, and we'll pop that back in again a little bit. Now, there's what I've cut out, and here's the other side. You can see that the far side away from me is going to be, so this is my far side, so that's pin 5 over here, and pin 1 is over here. So pin 1 is going to give me my positive. I want to take 3 and 4 and put them together. I'm going to just take and just draw a little bead of solder down in there and put them together. That's all I'm going to do. I have a light that doesn't seem to like me today. Like that. I have to trim a little bit of that off, I see. Alright. Okay. So I'm going to take the middle one. I'm going to take the middle one and put it over to the next one over on this side, so pin 4. Take a little bead of solder here. And that bead of solder didn't like me. It took off running. Alright. There's that little piece. You gotta be real careful here. Okay. Not liking me. I gotta do it again. The reason I don't go down inside there is because I'm not very good at soldering, and I'm just not very good at it. I can't do it. I don't have the hands, I don't have the eyes, I don't have... Anyway, I'm just giving it the best shot that I can, and I don't do this every day. Matter of fact, the soldering guns, I haven't soldered in probably 20 years. Just giving it the best go that I can. Okay. I think I got it. Yeah, that's probably not something I want to show you, but whatever. There it is. I got 3 and 4 on there. I'll have to come back there and hit it a little bit more. But I think I got it. So that's what I'm going to try. I'll get my circuit tester out and see how this works. Be right back.